Hello, my viewer. It has been long since we had a live chat. Hope you're good. How are you doing? I'm good too. I've been doing okay. Now I want us to speak about side hustles. As you know, during these economic hard times, it has been difficult to budget within our means. Sometimes there are a lot of things that have come up. Those who are in Kenya, those who are employed, they know there's huge taxation, so many deductions. So at the end of it all, you find that the money that you have is not enough. We need to think outside the box. How can we make it in 2024? So today, my viewer, I hereby share 7 clever ways to increase your income without getting a second job. Are you new to this channel? Remember to subscribe so that we may learn more together. Get ready. Let us unveil our topic of today. Today we are going to talk about something that many of us are interested in. That is increasing our income without having to take a second job. Whether you are looking to save up for a big purchase, pay off debt, or just have some extra cash in your pocket, we have got you covered in these 7 clever ways to boost your income. It's interesting, right? Isn't it? Let us dive in. You start a side hustle. Number 1. One of the most popular ways to increase your income is by starting a side hustle, something that you can do in as much as you're in employment. This could be anything from freelance writing, graphic design, tutoring, or even selling handmade crafts online. Find something you're passionate about and turn it into a profitable side business. You can do hair, you can do a mobile salon, all those things. You can do crocheting, all those things. Sell them online. You can monetize your hobbies, as we had said. Do you have a hobby that you're really good at? Whether it is photography, baking, gardening, consider monetizing your hobby by offering your services or products to others. You'd be surprised at how much you can make doing something that you love. Sell your skill. You're so well equipped with so many sets of skills. It's the high time you think of how you can change your skill into money by selling to people, maybe online or people within where you live. Thirdly, you can rent out a space. If you have a spare room in your house or a parking spot you're not using, consider renting it out on platforms like Airbnb, or even to people who need to be hosted for sometimes, like the students or people who are attending seminars and the rest. This can be a great way to earn passive income without much effort on your part. Fourthly, you can do online surveys. There are many websites that pay you to take online surveys or participate in market research studies. While you won't get rich from this, it is a simple way to earn some cash in your free time. Look at those sites that give surveys, maybe stations, maybe some media, maybe some new products in the market. There are companies who give people those jobs. Those are jobs that you can do part-time because they don't consume most of your time. Fourthly, you can invest in stocks or real estate. If you have some money saved up, consider investing in stocks or real estate. While there is some risk involved, investing can be a great way to grow your wealth over time and increase your income through dividends or rental income. Number 6, you can start a YouTube channel like I've done, or even a blog. If your passion for creating content, consider starting a YouTube channel or a blog. Tell us about yourself. Tell us about the things that you want to know. Consider that need. What do we need to know? What do you want to see? How do we do some things that we may be stuck, we don't know what to do? Do a channel. Sell to us what you're passionate about. Tell us about yourself. Tell us what you do. Advise us on what we can do. With dedication and consistency, you can grow your audience and monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate markets. Build a community in YouTube or even in the internet. It is possible. Try it. Last but not least, offer your skills on freelancing platforms. What skills do you have? If you have specific skill set such as graphic design, writing, programming, or social media marketing, consider offering your services on freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. This can be a great way to earn extra income on your own terms. Are you challenged? Hello? So, there you have it. These clever ways to increase your income without getting a second job is possible. Implementing on one or two of these strategies can make a big difference in your financial situation. Let us try it. It's possible. So my viewer, if you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our future content. Have any questions or additional tips? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next time. Thank you for watching.